Hey guys, welcome in the tutorial of Solidworks. We are going to see that how can you make compression spring. So let's start. First of all, take a new file, a part file. Click on OK. We will get our workspace. Now go to Sketch. Select the top plane. And for making a spring, let us make first of all a circle. Before that, let's use the units, which is inch, pound, second. Again, click on sketch, top view, make a circle, give the radius as 0.5, and then go to features, go to curves, go to helix and spring. Here, click on pitch and revolution pitch, give it as 0.25, revolution, give it as 10. Start angle should be 0 degree. It is clockwise. So we have made an helix. Now for making it as a 3D, for making this spring as a 3D, we have to make a Z part of this spring. So for that, let's select a plane, because we have to make a circle here and we have to make it like we have to pass that circle through this path. So let's see, this right plane, it seems to be at this point. So we are going to make a circle at this point. So select the right plane, click on sketch, and then click on circle and select the end point of this, and then make a circle which has a radius of 0.25 divided by 2. Click on right, so it's at the center. Now what we have to do, we have to make it use the swept function. So this is, first of all, you have to select the profile which you want to make as which you want for sweeping. So select this circle, this is the path, select this path. So now as you can see, it will give you this compression spring. If you select on right click, this spring has been made. So now this blue, so the sketch part, you can remove this by click on this blue option, hide this. So now it has been made. So let's save this file. I'm going to save it as compression spring. Save it. So now what we need to do, as it is a compression spring, we have to remove this two part. Like it has to be flat on the edges, on the top part and the base part. So to make it as a flat, what we need to do, we need to get a plane. So for that, let's see this top plane. As you can see, this top plane can make it flat. For proper view, select on this, go to this view. So if you cut from here, it will cut all the way. So we have to select a different plane. So we have to move this plane. So we have to go for reference plane, select the plane, and now as you can see, this blue part, this is a reference plane which is like 0.10 inch. Click on this and again go to reference plane. You can give it as 1, 2, let's say 2.25. So it can cut from this one. Okay, so we got these two reference plane. Now we are going to sketch on this plane, make it the normal to this plane. Plane 1, go for sketch, and now what you can do, you can make a rectangle with the center of here like this. See, it's at the base. Now you have to extrude this. So go for feature, we have to extrude cut, go for extrude cut, and now as you can see it's going down, say through all, and then click on. So it has made this the bottom part as a flat one. So now as you can see that we have made this ground end here. Now what I can do, I can use the mirror function. So what I have this top plane here, and what I can do, I can make it as a reference plane. So let's go to features, plane, make it as a mid plane. Okay, not this one, second one, make it as a parallel plane, and give it the dimension which has to be around 1 inch. It's 1.5 inch. So this is the mid plane. Now make this plane, and now what we have to do, we have to go for mirror option, feature, which want to make. So we want to make this feature, and then click on right. So as you can see, we have made this feature very easily. Just we want to make one end, and then we can use the mirror option to make it the another one. Then what we can do, we can hide this all this plane which we have taken. So we have made the compression spring like this way. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. So thank you for watching the video.